Hello students, very good morning. We are doing our trigonometry related exercise 8.3 of NCERT class 10th. Question is, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, we have to find the value of a here. So tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, which is given. It is tan 2a is equal to tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree. We may apply here tan 90 minus theta for cancelling this tan from LHS and RHS both. So that's why we are applying here tan 2a is equal to tan 90 minus a minus 18 degree. Here we have to tell the reason, because cot theta we may write tan 90 minus theta. This formula we have applied here. Cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So then tan will be cancelled. So 2a is equal to 90 minus a plus 18 degree. See, this minus is multiplied inside, so it will become negative a, and this minus into minus is plus. So 90 plus 18 is 108, and here it is 2a plus a. This a is shifted from RHS to LHS, then it will be 2a plus a is equal to 108 degree. As you know, it is 2a plus a means it is 1a. So 2a plus 1a is equal to 3a. So 3a is equal to 108 degree, and a is equal to 108 degree upon 3. Means 108 upon 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So a is equal to 36 degree. This is the answer for our required question. Now this question is over. Now see question number 4. If tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So here we have to apply that formula only, that tan a is equal to tan 90 minus b we can write. We may write here tan 90 minus b because here it is tan a is equal to cot b, which is given. This is given part. So tan a is equal to cot b means tan a is equal to tan 90 minus b we can write, because tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. So we may write cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. This is the applied formula. So tan will be cancelled. So a is equal to 90 minus d. This tan will be cancelled of LHS and RHS. Then a is equal to 90 degree minus b. So a plus b is equal to 90 degree. This only we have to prove. So we may write here hence prove. This question is over. Question number 4th. Now see question number 5th. It is question 5th of same exercise. If sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find value of a. So we may write sec 4a is equal to cosec, it is given part, cosec a minus 20 degree. It is given. This one is given. Sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. So we may write here sec 4a is equal to sec 90 minus a minus 20, because sec 90 minus theta is cosec theta. So sec 90 minus a minus 20 degree we may write as cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. This formula we have applied. So now this sec will be cancelled by this sec. So 4a is equal to 90 degree minus a, and minus into minus plus 20 degree. So 4a plus a is equal to 110 degree, because 90 plus 20, that is 110. So 5a is equal to 110 degree, and a is equal to 110 upon 5. That is 5 to the 10 and 5 to the 10 again. So a is equal to 22 degree. See, here it is mentioned 4A is an acute angle, means 4 into 22 is 88. 88 degree is acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. So this is only our answer. This is the answer of question number 5th. So these 4th and 5th questions are over. Now see question number 6. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine in bracket B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A by 2. This we have to prove. So first of all, let me tell you that in solution, the sum of all interior angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, that you know already, that sum of all the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we may write here B plus C is equal to 180 degree minus A. On transposing A from LHS to RHS, then it will become 180 degree minus A. On dividing by 2, if we divide it by 2, then this will become B plus C upon 2 is equal to 180 degree upon 2 minus A upon 2. It will become like this. Now on taking sine, अगर हम दोनों साइड का साइन लेते हैं, then this will become sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A upon 2. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to cos A upon 2. We have just taken sine of both the sides afterwards. We have neither taken LHS nor taken RHS. We have taken just A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree, and afterwards we have taken sine of both sides. That you have to remember. So this will become sine B plus C upon 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta. That will be sine B plus C is equal to B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That will be cos A by 2. In place of theta, it is A by 2. So sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos A by 2. We can say this formula will be applicable here. Now see question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. Here we have to mention these angles in the form of 0 degree and 45 degree terms, means between 0 degree and 45 degree terms. So for this we have to write here cos 90 minus 67. First of all, given part we have to mention. What is given here? Here it is given sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree, which may be written as sine 67 we may write cos 90 minus 67. Cos 90 minus 67, that is cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So cos 90 minus theta, it is sin theta. And now here it is sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. So we have to mention here sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, and cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. That's why we have assigned it in the form of cos 90 minus 67 and sin 90 minus 75. If we subtract 67 from 90, then this will become cos 3, and here it is 8 minus 6 is 2. 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. Means it is in between 0 degree and 45 degree. See, this is only the required part, because in question it is asked that we have to mention the or express the trigonometric ratios between 0 degree and 45 degree. So it is in between 0 degree and 45 degree, that is cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. Means sin 67 degree plus cos 75 degree can be written as cos 23 degree plus sin 15 degree. This is only our answer. So in this way, exercise 8.3 is finished, and thanks for watching it till last. Like it, subscribe it, and share it as much as possible.